Just a quick video. This is your clutch sensor. It controls your Jake brakes as well as when you mash your clutch to start your truck. If you're having issues where it won't crank when it's supposed to, it's this simple fix. Already got the old one out. This is the new one. I know I'm doing this a little backward, but just decided to do it for you guys. This little bolt is what holds it in. It's a little Allen. Take it back out real quick. I'm doing this backwards like I said, but this is the new one. Brand new clutch switch. It just slides in, kind of like one of these moves right here. Just slide it in and you'll hear it, the points clicking. There you go. Try not to drop this. It's a real simple process. Save you a lot of money on the ops. You know what I'm talking about. Do it yourself if you can. Just use an Allen. Freightliner Cascadia. This one lasted me a pretty long time. And again, it doesn't have to be really super tight. Tight spot, but hey, this is what I'm working with. And a few more times should do it. There we go. And it's tight. It's got one of these plugs on here. Just plug it up. And it came with one of these safety clips. So I just decided to do this video after I started, so that's why it seemed like I'm doing it backwards. Just trying to help out you guys. I put the safety clip back in. Hear a little snap. Just feed it back in. You can do everything from out here. You don't have to plug it out under the hood. You can do it from right here. It's real simple. It's four star bolts. There they go. 4-star bolts. All right. It's real easy, guys. Just get a catch. It's the second one. Third one. And that's the final one. Just tighten them up. So it's a real simple process. Save a ton of money. The part's actually, right around 60 bucks. Give or take where state you live in, taxes, whatever. Not too bad. You do this yourself, it'll save you hundreds of bucks, man, on the ops. You know how it is. Every little bit counts, right? Tighten it up with the ratchet. Alright. It's a little longer than I thought. Alright. That should get it. Just start it up.